Hi guys, my name is I'm Vin Evangelista, and for today's video, I will introduce to you sa ginagawa natin business, and by any chance if naghahanap ka ng right opportunity for you this year and nasa tamang video ka. Kaya napaka-importante na mapanood mo tong video na to hanggang dulo para maintindihan mo kung ano ba yung ginagawa nating business. Okay? So, by any chance, congratulations din pala. Siguro, napunta ka sa video na to, baka nabigyan kita ng flyers, or dahil siguro nakita mo yung ads ko sa Facebook, or baka rin naman personal tayo na magkakilala at na-invite kita na panoorin tong video. And I'm so excited para sa'yo, and I hope na tapusin mo tong video na to and then makapag-usap tayo kung paano ka makapagsisimula dito. So for today, pag-uusapan natin ay tatlong bagay lang, no? So una, pag-uusapan natin yung the system of growth. Okay? System of growth, ibig sabihin niyan is yung sistema, no, para mas mapalaki, okay? Para maging mas mapadali yung ginagawa nating business. Next, the owner and the management. So napaka-importante na kilala natin kung sino yung nagpapatakbo ng company para buo yung loob natin na talagang matama, napapatakbo ng tama yung business, okay? Na makikipag-partner tayo. Then, I will also introduce sa inyo yung the 7-figure roadmap na susundan natin para maging step by step with clarity yung gagawin nating business. Okay? So, let's start. So, baka hindi nyo pa ako kilala, my name is Vin Evangelista. Short back story lang about sa akin on how I started. So, these pictures, ito yung mga naging activity natin nung nagsisimula pa tayo sa pagiging brand partner. Okay? So, na-expose ako in this industry when I'm still 21 years old. I work for a direct selling company, and that is the point na I was able to really see the opportunity, the growth, na talagang merong future on this type of business. Then I decided to resign as an employee, then started the business in Davao. So when I was in Davao, I also worked for a call center company while building the business. And fast forward ngayon na nandito na tayo ngayon sa Chantal Direct Sales. And today, pag-uusapan lang natin, napakasimple lang, no? So ano yung ginagawa natin? Okay? So, para mas maintindihan nyo, ano nga ba yung pagiging brand partner? Or what do we do? Ano ba ginagawa natin? Okay? So, ang pinaka-basic na explanation lang na ginagawa natin is we market products online and offline, and we also serve yung nakukuha nating customer, as well as if we also train people or interested brand partners para makatulungan din sila makakuha ng customer and also to train their people. So imagine, ito ako, I get customers, then I also train other people to get their customers as well as teammates or brand partner. Okay? So usually, it is done by a human resource department for a company, but less paid. Okay? But here, we are paid based on result and also for our productivity. So dito, hindi tayo paid based on the time na ginugugol natin sa company, but we are paid based on the productivity. So the more we produce, the more we will get more commission. So that's how it goes. Okay? So what does the system of growth means? So we number one, so we have a perfect outreach script and marketing material for customer. So we have developed different type of script that work for me as well as to our founders. And we also have marketing materials for customers. So hindi nyo na kailangan mag-create ng sarili nyong materials like graphics. No? We have also that in our website. Okay? So perfect offer to customer. So we have also the perfect offer. A proven method for obtaining results for customers as well as dropshipping system. So meron din tayong dropshipping system. So mamaya papaliwanag ko sa inyo ano ba yung dropshipping system, okay? And also helping people to get results or tools na kailangan mo to start the business. Okay. So let me introduce to you to our owners and the management team. So our team founder of Global Onliners team, Coach Romel Gomez. Then we also have our CEO, Sir Lowell Magdadaro. Sir Lowell Magdadaro ay masasabi nating doctor. No? Doctor means doctor in business. So it means that he really knows how to drive the company, saan dadalhin ng company, ano yung mga dapat gawin, and he really knows yung ginagawa niya na yun din yung gusto natin. So we would like to partner to a company that is founded or that is pinapatakbo ng tamang tao. So yan yung isa sa pinaka-importante yung kailangan natin maintindihan. Okay? Next, our Vice President, Sir Mark Magdadaro, and our Operations Manager. Siya yung contact natin in terms with the operations, na stocks. Okay, si Ma'am Marlene Leonardo. So, ayan. So, let me also introduce sa inyo, dito sa Chantal, we have a global presence and footprint. So, it means that hindi lang tayo nagbi-business inside of the Philippines. So, we have multiple branches dito sa Pilipinas, Davao, Tagbilaran, Bohol, Cagayan, Bacolod, Cebu, Lucena, Cabanatuan, Pampanga, Pangasinan, Quezon City, and Cavite. So, marami tayong branches inside the Philippines, as well as meron din tayong mga foreign market, or meron din tayong mga branches, or we also can offer our product outside of the Philippines, cash on delivery basis. Okay? So, meron tayong Taiwan, Japan, Philippines, Hong Kong, Dubai, and bago lang natin, may stock na rin po tayo. May products din tayo available in Canada. Okay? So, highest paying, so highlight ko lang, no? So, it means that hindi lang tayo limited to offer or to market our products inside sa Pilipinas. So, we can also get customers doon sa mga nasabi kong mga lugar or bansa. Okay? So, highest paying to brand partners. So, mamaya explain ko yan sa inyo further. Drop shipping in e-commerce advantage with great retail profit. Okay, so if you're not familiar with drop shipping, guys, drop shipping, it's a system. Okay? System kung saan you don't need to create your own website. You don't need to stock your own inventory products. And you don't need to also pack those products. Okay? Basically, what you do is you just need to market the products and then you will get the commission once na na-deliver successfully ang orders. So, this is the flow, okay? So, you promote products either online or offline. Once you have the order, you just need to encode it in the system. Then, the company will receive those orders, prefer the orders, and pack the items, okay? Then, after that, we have drivers or riders, and they will deliver those products to the customer, and then through cash on delivery basis. Alam mo naman sa Pilipinas, di ba? Gusto natin, sigurista tayo, no? So gusto natin, ma-receive natin muna yung products. Then once it's successful, the order is completed, Chantal will transfer your profit to your e-wallet account. So, napaka-importante ng website. Mamaya ipapaliwanag ko paano yung website. Okay? So, that's how dropshipping works. Okay. So, next tayo. So, lipat. Okay. So, dito, the advantage. So, nag-check tayo ng other companies and isa sa pinaka-nakita nating advantage, no? Kasi napaka-importante ng retailing. Okay? In direct selling business. Kasi ito yung magiging, kumbaga, dito manggagaling yung mga daily basic needs natin, like yung pagkain, panggas, no? So, ito yung parang, as of the moment, magiging fuel natin, yung retailing. So, we have a good margin which is up to 50%. So, ganun siya kalaki. Next, one of our advantage, 8 years na ang company. So, yung pinili nating company as competitors or base ng basihan nitong 50% profit is yung company rin na syempre 5 years up na yung company nila. So, isa sa pinaka nakita natin is that isa sa pinaka advantage is we have up to 50% profit or margin. Okay? E-commerce and dropshipping advantage. So, napakaganda nito. Unlike sa dati ko na experience, bibili pa ako ng maraming produkto, pupunta ako ng ibang lugar para doon mag-market ang product, ganyan, kasi pagbalik, yung tira, dadalhin ko pa pabalik. Okay, ang kinagandahan dito, hindi na natin kailangan na magkaroon ng on-hand na products. So, kailangan nyo lang ng website. Okay? High team sales commission up to 20%. Indirect sales commission. So ito, i-discuss natin once you become a partner, hindi sa gusto natin itago or what. Siyempre, hindi pa siya masyado relevant, no? So, kumbaga sa baby, parang ipapakain mo muna sa kanya gatas. Okay? Kasi yun pa yung kaya niya. So, ayaw mo naman pakainin yung baby ng malaking meat. Kasi hindi pa yun yung perfect timing. Okay? So, yan. Explain ko yan further. Okay. So, this is one of the advantage. Okay? So, there are different type of compensation plan, pay plan. Merong matrix, merong unilevel, merong binary, merong staircase. Di ba? Yung parang hagdan, stair step. So, merong 3x1 binary. But here, ang ginagamit natin is binary. 1:1. Okay? So, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung difference. No? Isa sa mga pinaka-power ng ating compensation plan dito sa Chantal. So, sa unilevel kasi, this is a type of pay plan kung saan nag-stock ka lang ng mga new distributor horizontally. So, what is the disadvantage? So, the disadvantage, if you want to help this distributor, you cannot place a new member. So, ang gagawin mo is, ilalagay mo siya dito. Kasi hindi mo man siya ma-place dito sa ilalim. So, you are building wide. So, because of that, you are building a chain of competitor in your team. So, you cannot place under a team. Team cannot under a team equals sideline competitor. It means that you are building a team, but magkakaiba sa linya. So, you are building a chain of competitor within your team. So, ano nangyayari dyan? So, ang problema siya, actually, hindi ko naman inaano yung gumagamit ng unilevel. But nakita ko lang siya na parang hindi na synergy yung bawat isa. So, diyan papasok yung binary. So, ang pinakamaganda dito no, sa binary, so, all you need to think of is you are just building 2 lines. So, dito, you are building multiple lines. So, dito napakadali kasi mentally, kailangan mo lang isipin, you are need to build 2 lines and mag-stock ka lang ng mga tao. So, like for example dito, so you have 2 different line, team 1 and team 2. So once you have new members, you just need to place it under dun sa current team mo. So bakit siya maganda? Kasi instead here na you are building competitor, here you are contributing to your existing team. Okay, ma-explain ko yung sa inyo further. Okay, so concentration of power. In this model, I can contribute to the team by building depth. So for example, I have a sale right here, or I have a new member. So, hindi lang ako yung magbe-benefit. Also here, yung isa kong direct, he also be benefiting points from my own effort. So, nangyayari niyan, hindi lang ako, kundi yung effort ko will be benefit also nung magiging team ko. So, ganyan siya tumatakbo. Okay? So, ngayon, mamaya pakita ko sa inyo yung paano natin yan. So, ito yung system natin on acquiring customer. So, this system is also used by companies, okay, other companies or clinics, schools, to acquire customer. Okay? So, what we do, we get leads, contact the leads, setting appointment, presentation, follow-up, and we can either get a customer or not interested. Okay? So, ways on how we get leads, we can do warm outreach, cold outreach, post content, or advertise. Okay? Warm outreach means yung mga kakilala na natin, existing contacts. Cold outreach, it can be door-to-door, house-to-house, office-to-office, or flyering as well. Post content, ito yung we create content for the audience to see. O, kung fit ba yun? Okay? Advertise, so we can use Facebook, other social media platforms. So next, we do presentations. Okay? So, if you're a real estate agent, okay, ang mangyayari niyan, usually, di ba, kailangan yung ipakita yung bahay. So that's the form of presentation. And some quantity of leads means that based on the presentation, ilan yung napakitaan nyo ng bahay or ilan yung napresentahan nyo ng offer, that will be also the quantity, or based on that quantity, you will get a sale from that. I mean, yun yung, the higher the quantity of leads na mapunta mo sa presentation, the higher the possibility or the quantity of sales. Okay? So, once we able to do the presentation, that is the time we will serve the customer and we will get paid, or either we get not interested. So, ganyan lang siya. So, for example, sa schools, okay, paano sila kumukuha ng leads? Ginagawa nila, pumupunta sila sa mga senior high school, conduct seminars, or nabibigay sila ng flyers, educating about the offer. Di ba, nag-room to room sila dati. That's how they get leads. Okay? After that, papapuntahin nila sa room, sa school. Baka ginagawa nila is pinapaikot nila yung campus tour. Okay? Pinapakita nila yung mga courses na ino-offer nila, the benefit, yun, ina-highlight nila. Then after that, yun, once naging student na, they will serve those students, they get paid sa tuition. Okay? So sometimes, yung iba hindi interested. So, any profession, professors, doctor, dentist, pastor, attorney, elected official, ito yung ginagawa. Okay? As well as brick and mortar businesses, okay? Kiosk, flea market, lemonade stand, and any person, a job, maid, friend, girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, and wife. So, sino nakatry dito mag-ads for wife, no? Wala pa nang siguro, no? So, all people must do the lead, do the pipeline, and we, SDSI reward people through that actions. Okay. So, let me just introduce to you to our 7-figure roadmap. So, napaka-importante na merong roadmap. Depende sa goal mo. Like yung sinabi ko kanina, explanation, if baby ka pa lang, kailangan ang kinakain mo, gatas pa lang. No? Hindi pwedeng pakainin mo ng baboy, ng malaking chunk ng meat. So, depending on your goal, part-time, full-time, or generational wealth, you are given set of tasks. Tasks and also, ano yung mga kailangan mo lang pag-aralan. Kasi halimbawa, goal mo naman is for the product lang. So, it's irrelevant na turuan ka kung paano mag-present. Okay? Or kung paano mag-get ng leads. Or anything na like personal development. So, ang kailangan na ituro sa'yo, how the product, how to use the product, the effect of the product, and how to take the product. So, yun. So, step 1, customer first result. So, step 1, we will help the customer, assist the customer to get the result. Ano bang result na gusto nila? Business lunch, if they interested to do the business, building the foundation. Dito na natin tinuturuan ng mga basic na dapat nilang matutunan as a foundation doing the business. System of duplication, ito na yung we will start injecting skills na makakatulong to grow the team. Okay? Multiple lead source, so dito na yung ituturo natin yung multiple ways on how they can get customers. Halimbawa sa akin, we do flyering, we do Facebook ads, we do cold outreach. Okay? System of growth, dito na yung mayroon tayong goal na income na kailangang hit. Okay, step up to manager, rank up. Dito focus natin is ano yung current rank na meron ka ngayon. Goal natin is mag-upgrade. Next, massive expansion, leadership mentoring, inspire, and generational wealth. So, ito yung step by step na pagdadaanan nyo once you decided to become part ng ating team. Okay, so after watching this video, you can decide either you want to become a brand partner or not. So, no pressure. Huwag niyong awayin yung mga kaibigan nyo na nagpanood sa inyo ng video na to. They are just concerned about gusto nilang matulungan din kayo. Okay? So, but if you're interested, the next step is that we will hop into a Zoom meeting kung outside Davao City ka or nasa ibang bansa ka. And if taga Davao City ka lang, what we can do is pwede tayo magkita dito sa office mismo para pag-usapan natin yung mga bagay tulad ng ano yung pay plan, about the products, the website, how to run the business, as well as ano yung needs and wants mo, and what, syempre, ano yung mga bagay na ayaw mo, and then we will create the plan. Okay? So, also, we will discuss about the 7-figure roadmap as well as the pipeline. Okay, so last thing guys, gusto ko lang explain sa inyo on how we build teams. Okay, so imagine this is me. Yan. So what I do in building my lines is I stock 40 people, okay, sa bawat sides. Okay, and then once I able to stock 40-40, and based on statistic, 1 out of 40, the isa doon is will able to finish the entire line. Okay, let me explain to you earlier. So, ito, meron tayong team 1, team 2. So, here, meron na team. Tama? Then, I am just paid based on the lesser side. So, what I do is that I stack team 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I just stack until someone will finish the line. So, yun yung ginagawa. Nag-stack lang ako. So, kunyari, ito. Okay, later. Then, hanggang matapos yung line. So, ganyan siya. So, I stack until, boom, someone will finish the line. So, this one, okay, tinapos niya yung linya. Okay. So ngayon, dahil marami ng tao dito, doon naman ako sa team 1 mag-stack ng tao. Until, boom. Ito siya. natapos siya yung linya. Okay. That's how you will be paid consistently. Okay, in a monthly basis. So yun lang guys, thank you so much for watching. And I love to be working with you, to become partners, and help you to build a good, great income in this business. And also, like what I said earlier, I will be stocking down the line. So I suggest you do not delay. Okay, if you're interested, just message the person who sent you this message or send me a message directly. We can set appointment to discuss on how you can start doing the business with Shantan.